This could be the car for you. The 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, remote engine start, heated mirrors, keyless start, power driver seat. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.